Okay, so in a previous video, we made some purple mooncakes and I colored it with purple sweet potato powder. And I realized it can actually be quite hard to get, and then if you do find it, it's kind of expensive as well. So I thought we'd give it a try today and make it ourselves. So the way that people do this is typically with a dehydrator. I thought that more of us would probably have an air fryer these days, or you could try to do it with an oven. So that's what we're going to do today. I started off by boiling a purple sweet potato, skin on, because I thought it might help preserve the color a bit better. And then this next bit is very important, is the cutting of the sweet potato. And obviously, whenever you're baking something, you need to make sure that everything is of the same width. Because if you have a thin piece and then a very thick piece, one might not dry while another slice gets burnt. And then when it gets burnt, it kind of loses that really pretty purple color. So just take your time here and make sure that everything is of the same width. So when people use the dehydrator, they actually set it to right around 40 degrees Celsius, around like 100 degrees Fahrenheit. So the temperature is not high at all. And the reason for that is if you do up the temperature, you lose some of that really vibrant purple color because the chips start burning, they start changing color. And so for me, I think I tried to rush it a little bit for filming, but keep the temperature low, right around 40 degrees Celsius, and then every 45 minutes, I would kind of just check on the chips. And I think I did that 3 or 4 times, just until they got nice and crunchy like this, all dried up. And then of course, then I put it into a blender and then you get it into a nice powdery state. But the temperature is key because any higher and you'll risk burning the potatoes and then you lose, again, that really pretty purple vibrant color. And so there you go, purple sweet potato powder. Definitely try it on different desserts or even maybe like a purple sweet potato latte in the morning. I think that would be really nice. I store mine in an airtight container, but you could certainly, store it in the freezer as well. So I hope you all enjoyed that really quick recipe. Normally in a dehydrator, it's usually about 12 hours. And I think we cut our time easily by 2/3 by using the air fryer. So I hope you all enjoy.